Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys another easy split method of ventilation. So apart from the single split method, the double split method, this method also works very easy for me. I use it in almost all my ventilation. So it was a subscriber that actually requested for this video. So if you're watching this video, this is for you and to everyone else that wants to learn. So I'm going to start with single split knotting. Just like the name single knotting, it means to knot it once. So once you pass your pin through the net, you pick your hair, then you knot the hair once, just once. That's single split knotting. So for double split knotting, it's just like knotting the hair twice. So you pass your hair through the net, you pick the first hair, you pick the second hair, then you knot it. That's just double split knotting. Pass the hair through the net, pick the first hair, then you pick the second hair, then you knot it. That's just it for double split knotting. You have to focus and watch what I'm doing closely so that you can be able to understand what I'm about to share with you in this video. So most people prefer using single split knotting because it's easy and faster than double split knotting. But single split knotting is not strong and doesn't last long. So there is this video I saw. The lady said after using single split method, you spray got-to-be spray on the knot to secure it. That might work for you, but for me I can't go through that stress, because if you're using single split on a silky hair, you can't even knot it. Even if you knot it before you finish your ventilation, everything will loosen. So that brings us to the purpose of this video. Another way you can ventilate with split method easily and secure it well if you do not want to use double split method. This method also works. It's just like single split method, but instead of knotting it once, you knot it twice. So to do this method, you pass your hair through the net with your pin, pick the hair, then turn your needle twice, then you knot it. As easy as that. So pass the hair through the net with your pin, then pick the hair and turn your needle twice. That's just it. So you have to look closely at what I'm doing so that you can learn and understand what I'm trying to explain to you. It's just easy. The same way you do your single split, that's just what you are doing, but the difference is that you are turning the pin twice. In single split you turn it once, but in this method you turn your pin twice. That's knotting it twice. So it's very easy. If you don't want to use double split method, you can also use this method because it also secures the hair well. This is mostly the method I use for all my ventilation, and I love using split method because it makes your wig look like a factory made wig, and it also makes the wig fuller. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like my video. Your likes, oh my god, it just lightens my mood. I'm telling you guys, please like my video, share to your friends, and drop your comments on the comment section. I'll be attending to all comments. Yeah, and if there is anything you would like to know or anywhere you're having any difficulty in ventilation, please drop it on the comment section and I'll try and make a video for you. And tell me if you'll be trying this method out. I'll just call this method a double split method replacement. Yeah, if you do not want to use double split method, or if you feel like double split method is a waste of time, this is another method you can use. Yes, because it secures the hair well, unlike single split method. Please do not use single split method for your ventilation, especially when you are ventilating for your client. Please don't use single split method. If you feel like double split method is hard for you or it takes time, please use this method, because this method secures the hair well, unlike single split method. Please use this method if you do not want to use double split. I prefer using this method because it's much faster for me. I use this method for almost all my ventilation. Yeah.